another video. Not in a workshop, no overalls on. We're here with this today. So people have been asking, oh, what's happening with the Beetle and everything, so I've got a load of bits for it now. Sorry about the noise. We've got some wings, heater channels that we can't put on yet, obviously. Some wings, front wings, back wings, a back bonnet kind of thing. That's all there. So what I'm going to do is, today we're going to put them on and then start to make a look of it and see what we've got, what we need and everything like that. So I've got a little helper today. She's going to be helping me today. My daughter's going to be helping me, so we're going to be doing this together. And yeah, so let's start putting some bits together, see what we've got first, and then yeah, let's get cracking on. So let's talk about the bits we've got so far. Passenger side wing is a little bit like rust and that, whether we'll be able to pair that I'm not sure. We might have to sort of scrap that, but we can keep the headlights and stuff like that. Driver side wing. So I'm just going to clean all these holes out now and hopefully be able to fit the wing on so we can have a look at that. It's in good condition, that. And obviously we've got the rear there. That's the rear lid. And I think that is the near side, offside wing as well. So just for today, about putting bits together, and then if I get a chance I'll maybe jack the front up and just make sure the wheels spin freely and everything like that. So I'm going to try and move it out a little bit more, and we'll get that wing on, get it bolted on and have a look and then see how we're looking with there and see if anything's straight and sort of go from there really. So all I'm doing now is literally just fit the bolts and just making sure they all go in alright. Which they seem to be. Make sure the holes are all good. This is a good start to one we're fitting it on. If anyone wants to get involved with doing this Beetle or has any parts or anything like that, please let me know, because I'd rather get it off people that are subscribers or companies that are willing to get involved with this. So let's try and move it out a little bit if we can, and let's get a panel fitted on. So all I've got is just some M8 bolts with some washers on, and all we're going to do, hopefully, get that side, we've got the other side. Might be that side. Yeah, so what we're going to do, people are probably thinking you're crazy putting that all on now, but it's more just to see what we got and what we ain't got, right? So we can kind of make a list. I've ordered new floor pans and stuff like that, but if I can get some stuff bolted on today, body wise, that's where we're going to start first, and we kind of know where we are, if that makes sense. So yeah, let's get this bolted on. So yeah, we've got two wings on just to see the shape of it. This wing here wants welding. There's some bits that want welding. The back here, we could probably secure that today, get that back on. So that's on there. We have got the rear thing here, which is there, so that can go back on. That back wing, might not be able to put that back on today because of this back here. This back's probably the worst bit, so I'm going to need to get this sorted because it's quite bad. So, but we've got some wings on. I might try and get the wheels off today, clean all the brakes out so it's movable a bit more. But yeah, we're getting what it originally looked like, kind of, sort of, nearly. So yeah, let's maybe get that rear hood on, and then we'll go from there, and then we'll see what else we can sort of get done today. But now we're going to get this rear little, where the engine will go, we're going to get that on. You like that? Yeah. Right, we need to get that bolts and nuts. Bolts and nuts. So that'll go like that. Somehow. Move the camera. Here. Right, sorry. Now. All about learning something different. See? I'm going to quit trucks and start working on Beetles. Right, you're going to help me with this bit. See? So we need to do them hinges up now. Yeah. So grab me my little gun. You got to teach them somehow, haven't you? You can't be sitting at home on like iPads and all that stuff all the time. We're going to teach them. Yeah, so we need that. So, is that heavy? You hold that. Come here. So, you need to get the spanner. The spanner. You. So that shuts now.
Yeah.
Are you okay there, Lil?
Yeah.
There you go. So we've got that on. What I'm going to do now is, who's that? Verstappen wins. Oh God. Tell me if you're an F1 fan. Who do you follow? Like me, I'm probably going to get hate for. I'm a Mercedes fan, me. Lewis Hamilton, George Russell.
Yeah.
They're all I'm following. So let me know who you like. So yeah, we've got that wing on now, front wing, 2 front wings. We've secured the back wing. We've got the rear bonnet thing on. So let's get this wing secured, and then we've got some sort of look of a car then. Did she really think I wasn't going to like get her involved with this? This is what it's all about. If you get a project car, you've got to get your kids involved somehow. They've got to do something, haven't they? Can't just be sitting on YouTube and not watching my videos. So let's get this rear wing secured, and then we'll have a overlook and see what we've got and how we're getting on.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life.
Right, so an update. Wing on, kind of on. It's just today's mostly about seeing whether the panels fit, how it's looking. So that panel's kind of on. This one's on lovely. It's really nice, that one. This back one here, I had some problems with. Like some of the bolts and that are snapped in there, so they're going to have to be drilled out. So that was that. What else did we do today? We've got this back wing on a bit more securely. And we also got this back hood, bonnet, don't know what you want to call it, is back on. So I think my next plan is, when I do the next video on it, is to jack up the front end. We're going to jack it up, we're going to clean all the hubs out, clean all the brakes out, make sure it's free rolling. We're going to take all these panels back off, every single panel, and then we're going to go through the body stuff. So I've got a welder coming, I ordered a welder, so we've got bits like there we need to sort. Main thing now is welding. So yeah, it's going to be the case of, if anyone knows anyone that can clean all this up, let me know. But it's going to be a case of I'm going to have to be cleaning everything up, and then welding. So I'm going to, like I said, I've got a welder coming, I'm going to do that. But yeah, it's a little bit better than what it used to be. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already and you're interested in looking at when I first got it, go back on that first video on the VW Beetle project, that'll be on there. If you're interested in HGV mechanical stuff, there's a part of the channel where it's got all the how-tos and stuff. That's all HGV stuff, so go on there. If anyone's interested in getting involved in helping with this in any sort of way, please let me know. Any bit of help or any bit of knowledge is always good to know. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope I can see you all in the next one.